Okay, here's a quick guide on how Inscription works in TBH Taskbar Hero. You will need to have a purple item with an inscription slot, and then you want to click on cube. Then you should have inscription enabled here, and you just want to drag the item. And then I only have one scroll, so you will have different inscription effects here. You can read through all of them. Basically, it's going to be random. So for example, let's say I'm hoping for max HP plus 10 to 90. It is not guaranteed, so you will get one of these stats as a bonus. So I'm just going to click on it and see what I managed to get. And just like that, I got attack damage plus 5. So it's not going to be guaranteed, but it is like decorations. It is also like engraving. You will get a stat, but instead of 2 stats, you have more to potentially get. So I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.